Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to organize your syllabus due dates here on Microsoft Sheets. So first I opened up a clear Microsoft Sheets and I already dragged out some of these columns because they look better when they're a little dragged out. In this first column you're going to put due dates. The next one you're going to put name, and this will be the name of the assignments. Then you're going to put the class name. So I'm just going to put class up here. I already have the first date of one of my classes memorized, which is going to be stage lighting. So, and I know that due date is going to be 2/2/22, which is fun. And that's going to be a lighting plot for my stage lighting class. So then I'm going to go through the rest of the dates on my syllabus and add them right here. All right, so now that I've written down all of my class due dates assignments for one class, I'm going to highlight all of the things that I just wrote minus this top line right here, and I'm going to color it. I don't want yellow, so I'm going to pick a different color. Let's do green. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the rest of my classes that I'm taking this semester, and I'm going to fill them all out down here, and for each new class, I'm going to pick a different color. Okay, so now that you have gone through all of your syllabuses and written down all of your due dates for all of your classes, you're going to select all of everything you just wrote down minus this top row, and then you're going to go to data, you're going to go to custom sort, you're going to go to the sort by button, and you're going to click due date. So this is going to organize your grades or your due dates in order of when they're going to happen. So you're going to click OK. And so now you can see all your January due dates are up here, all your February due dates are together, your March due dates are together, and then they're color coordinated by each class. So you know when and everything is happening. So yeah, there you go. That's how you organize your due dates for your syllabus on Microsoft Sheets.